Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago I made the absolute worst decision. I bought a home DIY perm kit because I wanted to perm my own hair, and needless to say it was an epic fail. It was, my goodness, it was disastrous, okay? I damaged my hair so bad that I had to cut off at least 10 centimeters, and I still sit with split and damaged ends. It was just horrible. But it also created a great opportunity for me to try out some remedies for dry and damaged hair. So, in this week's video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips for dry, damaged hair. Let's get into the video. Now, hair damage can actually be caused by a lot of different factors, like overcoloring your hair, using excessive heat, bad eating habits, or it can also be caused by internal problems like a protein deficiency or even thyroid abnormalities. Now, don't start to panic yet. It doesn't mean you have thyroid problems if you've got limp or frizzy, fragile hair. Like I said, it might just be because you are using your straightener too much or an overuse of chemicals, like the perming mishap that I had. Now there's a reason why old wife remedies are still the most trusted and used hacks till this day. It's because they work. Remember that in the old days they did not have the luxuries or the special products that we have today. They actually had to make use of natural products. Remember that your dry, brittle hair doesn't only mean that your hair lacks moisture, but it also lacks protein. Make a mixture of 1 ripe mashed avocado, 3 eggs, and if you don't have eggs, then mayonnaise will also help, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The avocado is rich in vitamins A and E, as well as saturated fats, which will help nourish and moisturize your damaged hair follicles. The eggs or the mayonnaise is loaded with proteins, which will help to strengthen and restore the protein in your hair. Massage the mask into your hair and scalp, leave it in for about an hour, and then shampoo and condition as usual. I am a huge coconut lover. Coconut has loads of benefits, from healthy eating through to using it as an aid to help remove splinters or thorns from your skin. Ladies, coconut oil is probably the best remedy and advice that I can give you. After even just 1 application, I could already see the improvement and feel it in my hair. Coconut oil is rich in saturated fat and antioxidants that is not only beneficial to help reduce dandruff, but it also helps to nourish your scalp and restores the moisture to your dry and damaged hair. Heat up the coconut oil in a container in the microwave, but not boiling. Massage it into your hair and scalp, paying special attention to the damaged ends, and then leave it on for an hour. I even left mine in for a whole day over the weekend. Then shampoo and condition as usual. I promise you, your hair will thank you. Ladies, I cannot stress enough how important it is to stop the excessive heat as well as the coloring of your hair, especially if your hair is extremely damaged. If you already have very badly damaged hair, continuing to use your hair dryer or your straightener on a high heat will worsen the damage on your hair, and the same goes for coloring. The chemicals of products and the heat damages the protein molecules and strips your hair of its moisture. So you can try all the products and masks and treatments that you want to, but nothing will help because you are not giving your hair the time to recuperate and rest from all the coloring and the heat exposure. Now, I've also linked some of my best and most recommended products in the video description down below, so you can go check them out. Now, if you've stopped with all the coloring, all the blow drying, all the heat irons, and you've tried a bunch of masks or home remedies and nothing is working, meaning if your dry and damaged hair is still a very big concern to you, then rather opt to make an appointment with a specialist. Go and see them for a proper diagnosis and see if there's maybe another internal issue. Now ladies, if you have any other remedies that you have tried before, I would love to know about them, so put them in the comment section down below. And remember, life is tough, but so are you. Bye.